Question is, Aerenchyma formation is related to which of the following hormone? So firstly, we have to know the Aerenchyma formation, why we will like to the formation of Aerenchyma formation. In the normal condition, soil has the air pockets that with the plant's root can take up the oxygen. Whenever the flooded conditions, the roots cannot take up the oxygen and become the hypoxic. During the hypoxic condition, formation induces the ACC synthase, which is the ethylene, which induces the ethylene productions. So ethylene productions की वजह से क्या होता है, तो ACC moves through the xylem into the shoot where it's converted into the ethylene by the ACC oxidase, and this causes the leaf epinasty and caused by the differential growth of the petiole. So during the flooded conditions जो ethylene induce होता है into the roots, ethylene का जो triple response है, which are the stem elongation, root inhibition and the exaggeration or apical hook formation. This is the case of the ethylene triple response. This also causes the epinasty, leaf epinasty, and caused by the differential growth of petiole. So the ethylene क्या करता है, ethylene induces the cell death or the cell separation and the formation of the Aerenchyma air channels. So Aerenchyma और air channels का formation होगा during the flooded condition, whenever the hypoxic conditions create into the roots. So Aerenchyma or the air formation are formed by the ethylene, which are causing by the cell death or the cell separation, and that form the Aerenchyma or the air channels through which the oxygen can move into the root. So the Aerenchyma formation is related to the which of the following hormone, which is the ethylene. Second option is correct.